How to change your Steam download region. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Steam download region. This can help speed up downloads and fix update issues. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Steam app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the Steam, simply click on the Steam icon in the top left corner of the screen. And once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply choose Settings, and here, once you are inside the Settings menu on the left hand side, you can see the option labeled as Downloads. So simply click on it, and now here inside the downloads at the top you can see the option labeled download region. So simply click on the downward arrow beside that option, and once you click on that, a drop down menu will appear. In that menu you can see the list of region. So here you can simply choose the nearest and fastest region to your location, and sometimes switching to a nearby countries works better. And here, once selected, a pop-up menu will appear asking you to restart the app. So simply go ahead and do that. And here, once you have restarted the app, your Steam download region will be updated and your downloads might just get faster. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.